Hi, my name is Azharuddin and I'm from South Delhi. I'm a student of M.Sc in physics here and I'm in my 4th semester right now, which is about to complete now. Just like you, 2 years back, I was looking for a university that should meet all of my certain requirements because I wanted to pursue my masters in physics. Then one of my friends suggested me to check out the Lingaya's Vidyapeeth, and then I checked online on website, and later on I personally came to the college, and it was my you can say a luck that I met the faculty here, assistant professor, and he guided me very well about all the things. So during the coursework we got significant amount of practical and theoretical knowledge in nanotechnology, quantum computing and material science. At the last, I also want to mention that I also have a dissertation work project in fiber optics. Thank you.